Hello, this is Lifespan News, and I'm your host, Elena Milova. Clinical trial of therapeutic plasma dilution started in Russia last week. The trial that is currently recruiting volunteers is organized by the National Medical Research Center for Rehabilitation and Balneology with support of the Diagnostic Laboratory Network DNCOM, the Orenburg Regional Clinical Hospital, and the Pirogov Russian National Research Medical University. The goal of the study is to test the efficacy and safety of the plasmapheresis method with albumin compensation compared to the same therapy without albumin compensation for aging biomarkers correction. The study is recruiting 80 people, men and women aged 40 to 55 years old, without chronic conditions and not having counterindications for plasmapheresis. Both Russian citizens and people from other countries are welcome to participate in the trial if they meet the selection criteria and can make themselves available for the period of trial and subsequent observation. Therapeutic plasma dilution rapidly becomes a hot topic in longevity research, thanks to the contribution of Drs. Irina and Michael Cambois and their research partners. Late in 2020, they published the results of a study in mice that shows significant health benefits of this therapy that positively affect many systems in the body. Their own human trial is currently running in the United States, and we hope to hear of their progress later this year. Going back to the trial organized in Russia. This is the first time when the Russian research community is using the hybrid model for the longevity trial, where patients pay a share of expenses, around $500 per person, while the rest of the expenses is covered by the donors. The major contribution to the trial was made by the Diagnostic Laboratory DNCOM, led by mission-driven entrepreneur Dr. Andrei Isaev. Andrei's laboratory is providing all the diagnostic work for the trial for free, which enabled its rapid organization. The lead researcher of the trial, Dr. Elmira Gilmudinova, who is the lead transfusiologist of the Center of Rehabilitation and Balneology, has a substantial experience in using other protocols of plasmapheresis for improving health in women preparing for pregnancy or in people who want to use it for general detoxification. She is excited to look at the results of this trial to assess the effect on the biomarkers of aging. After this trial is done, there is plan to test other protocols, as the experience of the researchers makes them believe that plasmapheresis, when it's used prior to other longevity therapies, may actually amplify their effect, so it might make sense to use them in combination. Elmira plans to discuss some of the work at the Ending Age-Related Diseases 2021 conference that we are hosting on August 1922. If you have not registered yet, you're welcome to do so. Please find the link to the conference under this video. This is all for now. If you would like to learn more about the progress in longevity therapeutics development, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive notifications of our latest content. Stay young and see you soon!